Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So on the pound yen, price is really respecting this 61% Fibonacci retracement. And because the JPY basket never did break structure, I still think there's a good chance that this move will not hold and that this potentially is going to go all the way back up and make a new high on the daily time frame eventually. Now, technically, the momentum is down. Technically, we have a break of structure. So the trend potentially is down and the momentum is potentially down. The only reason why I think that it could hold and go back up is because of my JPY analysis. I base my yen trades on all 7 yen pairs on my JPY basket analysis, and the JPY basket never broke structure. It is definitely still in a downtrend, which means that this potentially is still in an uptrend that may not be over yet. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. Now this one never really made a new low. The pound is still quite strong, but technically structure's right here. Technically we should be looking for shorts, we should be going short on all these little peaks right here. And we definitely still should be looking for shorts. So if it makes another short, then I definitely would take that trade. So like I said, we should be looking for shorting opportunities. But if price goes up and breaks this high, then that pretty much tells me that we're probably going to go all the way up and take out this high, and we're probably going to grab all that liquidity on the daily time frame before it potentially really does make a significant turn. So just because of my JPY basket, I think there's a good chance that, eventually it is probably going to end up breaking to the upside, and eventually it's probably going to go all the way back up on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.